Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install the Dead Island 2 game on your PC or laptop. So this is very simple, you just need to open up your any browser and just search for the Steam and now open up the first website which says the Steam. So now here just click on the login option you are seeing on the top. So once you click on that, here you just need to sign into your account, and if you don't have an account just simply create one. After that, just click on the install Steam option, and here you just need to click on the install Steam. So after you click on that, now it will start downloading into your PC, then you just simply install it. And this is very simple process. Then simply sign in, click on the search box, just type the Dead Island 2 and this game will show on the top like this. So you just need to click on the game which is the
Time to
Dead
come.
Island 2 game, and now here you just need to scroll down and you will see the option of add to cart like this. So you just need to click on the add to cart and click on the view my cart option. So once you click on that, now here in this page, if there is any other game, just remove it from here. So now after that, just click on the continue to payment option. And obviously it is not free. You have to just pay the $22 to download it. Just click on this PayPal and just pay with your any card. Then this game was added to your Steam library. Click on the library. Now here on the left hand side, you will see the Dead Island 2 game like this one. So once you click on that, here you will see the option to install it. Just click on the install, then it will start downloading and installing into your PC. So guys, if you find this video helpful, so please consider liking this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.